So this is my 2018 Tundra with the chrome mirror caps. I found it easier to fold the mirrors in and work on the inside of the mirror than on the outside. So I have one of these pry toolbars, and you actually have a better gap over here. And I was able to work it all the way up, and as soon as I got to the top, it just popped. Now it does take a little bit of force, and it sounds like it's gonna break, but once you get it off, it actually comes off in one piece, and this is what it looks like. So all my chrome pieces are still intact, and that's what the cover looks like. So here's me trying to take the mirror cap off. So if you guys get into this corner right here, you work your way up, you'll hear it pop. There it goes. And then you lift up, and there it is. Chrome mirror cap. So I had some mirror caps painted at the shop, and here they are. Here are the tabs. See how it has to go down and into it first, and these clips will clip back in. So you line it up, push it down, and then firmly press in. And that's it. There you go. There's your mirror caps. Same thing goes for the driver's side. As you guys can see, push it down and in, and then work on one corner, and that's it.